Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to make a relative frequency distribution table. Now let's start. Let's say if you have the numbers 2, 5, 3, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 4, 8, 8, 2, and 8. And we have the table. You have the value, here you have the frequency, here you have RF or relative frequency. So first, the lowest value is 2. We need to count how many 2's we have in our dataset. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 2's. Now next we have 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Next number we have 4. So we have 1 and 2. 2 fours. Next number we have 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say if you have here also 5. So you have 5 fives. We don't have 6, so we move to 7. We have also 1 7. And 8 we have 1, 2, 3, 3. Let's say just a 3. So we have 3. Now next step is to take the sum of the frequency column. So we have 6 plus 3 is equal 9, 9 plus 2 is equal 11, 11 plus 5 is equal 16, 16 plus 1 is equal 17, 17 plus 3 is equal 20. So we have 20. Now, to find the relative frequency, we need to take the frequency and divide it by the total frequency. So, for example, we need to find the relative frequency for 6, so, for 2. So we need to take this number and divide it by 20. So 6 divided by 20 is equal 0.13. Now 3 divided by 20 is equal 0.15, and 2 divided by 20 is equal 0.10. 5 divided by 20 is equal 0.25. 7 divided by 20 is equal 0.05. Sorry, 1 divided by 20, and 3 divided by 20 is equal 0.15. So for example, the relative frequency for 4 is 0.10. For 10 is for 8 is 0.15. Now if you want to check if your answer is correct, you should add these numbers and you should get 1. So 0.13 plus 0.15 plus 0.10 plus 0.25 plus 0.05 plus 0.15 is equal 1.00. So this is the final answer.